Hey guys, my name is Shivij and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you all know that these days everyone wants a smartwatch. And some smartwatches are so expensive. Some are above 10,000, some are above 15,000. And if you go for an iWatch, that costs you around 40,000. So that becomes very expensive for a smartwatch. But what if I told you that you can get almost all of those features just under rupees 5,000? And then I'm sure that you would like to have a smartwatch. So guys, in this video I'll tell you the best smartwatches which you could get under rupees 5,000 for yourself, and I'll be also telling you my favorite smartwatch under this list. So guys, watch the video till the end. And guys, if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel would be very awesome. So without wasting any time, let's move on straight to the video. So guys, this video structure will be exactly similar to that of my previous video. So my previous video was about smartphones under 30,000, and I told you every company's smartphone under 30,000, the best smartphone which that company offered. So for this video also I have 5 smartwatch companies, and I'll tell you the best smartwatch which you could get of that company under rupees 5,000. So with this thing you get an idea of what a company offers for a smartwatch under rupees 5,000. So guys, for this video I have chosen 5 companies. So the companies are Noise, Realme, Boat, Firebolt and Amazfit. And guys, every smartwatch under this list has also got a special feature inside it. So I'll be also telling you about that. So guys, the first smartwatch is a Noise smartwatch, and it is the Noise ColorFit Ultra, and it is a brand new smartwatch. So guys, this smartwatch has a 1.75-inch true view display with 320 into 385 pixels, and the smartwatch gives you a battery backup of 9 days. And then if we talk about the Bluetooth version, so the Bluetooth version is 5.1. and it also supports fast charging, and the IP rating which this smartwatch has is IP68. And then if we talk about the weight, so the weight is 47 grams. And then if we talk about the build, so this smartwatch is made totally out of aluminium metal, and then it has features like blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, stress and sleep tracking also. And then it has 60 sports mode in this smartwatch. And then if we talk about the watch faces, so you have 100 plus watch faces in this Noise ColorFit Ultra. And some other features in this smartwatch is that it has the quick reply SMS, it also has world clock, and this smartwatch also gives you stock market information. And then you can also get the basic app notifications in this smartwatch. And then this smartwatch also has a flashlight in it. The flashlight is not that strong, but yes, it is good. And then this smartwatch also has a drink water reminder and a hand wash reminder. And then this smartwatch pairs with your phone with the Noise Fit app. So the most interesting thing about this smartwatch is that it has swappable strap, which means that you can customize your smartwatch. And there are a lot of straps available on Noise website. So from there you can buy straps of different colors and different design and can add them to your Noise smartwatch collection. So for a conclusion, this smartphone has got a great build design and it is also customizable. So the price of this smartwatch Noise ColorFit Ultra is rupees 4,500. And now let's move to the next smartwatch, which is a Realme smartwatch, and it is the Realme Watch 2 Pro. This smartwatch is also a new smartwatch in market. So this smartwatch has got a 1.75 HD bright touchscreen display, and this smartwatch can give you a battery backup of 14 days. And this battery backup is based on usage, but I think that with always on display enabled also, it can give you a battery backup of around 8 to 10 days. And then if we talk about the Bluetooth version, so the Bluetooth version is 5.0, and yes, it has fast charging. The IP rating is IP68. And then if we talk about the weight of this smartwatch, so this smartwatch is the heaviest out of all the smartwatches in this list. So the weight of this smartwatch is 90 grams. And then this smartwatch has 90 sports modes. It also has dual satellite GPS, and then it also has blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. You also get sleep monitoring, accelerometer and activity tracker. And then this smartwatch has got 100 plus stylish watch faces in it. And then this smartwatch can be paired to the Realme app on your phone. And then it also has smart notifications in smartphone. So the best thing about this smartwatch is that it gives you a great battery backup, and it has 90 sports mode, which are the most out of all the smartwatches in this list. And then it also has GPS, which you find in very less smartwatches. So the price of Realme Watch 2 Pro smartwatch is rupees 4,999. And now let's move to the third smartwatch, which is a Boat smartwatch. So this is the Boat Watch Extend. So this smartwatch has a 1.69-inch LCD display and it gives you a battery backup of 7 days. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and it supports fast charging. And then if we talk about the IP rating, so it is 5 ATM water resistant. And then if we talk about the weight, so the weight is 54 grams. And now the most interesting thing in this smartwatch is that it has Alexa built in, which means that you can control your smart devices with your smartwatch. Which means that you can control your lights, your TV, your speaker, everything with your smartwatch. But obviously, yes, it should be linked to the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. And then this smartwatch has 50 plus watch faces. It has heart rate monitoring, SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking and stress monitoring. And then it also has smartphone apps notifications. So all in all, if you want to make your work easier, you want to control all your devices, you have smart devices in your home and you want to control them with the help of your smartwatch, so you can go for Boat Watch Extend. And this smartwatch is the cheapest out of all the smartwatches in this list. So the price of this smartwatch is rupees 3,500. And now let's talk about the fourth smartwatch, which is the Firebolt Talk. So this smartwatch has a 1.28-inch 3D HD color display with 44 bevel curved glass. And then it gives you a battery backup of 10 days. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and it also supports fast charging. And then the IP rating is IPX7. And then if we talk about the weight, so the weight is 60 grams. And then the main feature in this smartwatch is that it has Bluetooth calling. This feature is almost impossible to give under this budget, but this Firebolt company has given Bluetooth calling in this smartwatch. So for Bluetooth calling, this smartphone has inbuilt speaker and inbuilt microphone. And then if we talk about the quality of the speaker and the mic, so it is very good and they've done a good job in the quality. And then this smartwatch also has SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, 24/7 heart rate tracking, and this smartwatch can also measure your blood pressure. And one more great feature in this smartwatch is that you can listen to music from your watch. So your watch needs to be connected with Bluetooth to your smartphone and you can listen to songs on your smartwatch. And then it also has quick menu. It has 8 sports mode, which are very less because in all other smartwatches you have almost 40 to 60 sports modes. And then it also has multiple watch faces. It is a full metal body and you can also control your camera from this smartwatch, and it also has smart notifications. So for a conclusion, this smartwatch is not meant for sports or fitness because it just has 8 sports mode and the IP rating is also IPX7. But if you get a lot of calls throughout the day, so yes, this watch with Bluetooth calling will make your work easier. So the price of this smartwatch Firebolt Talk is rupees 4,999. And now let's move to the last smartwatch, which is the Amazfit Bip U Pro. So this smartwatch has a 1.43-inch large HD display with 320 into 302 pixels and it gives you a battery backup of 9 days. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and yes, it has fast charging. And then if we talk about the IP rating, so it is 5 ATM water resistant. The weight is 31 grams, which is the lightest out of all the smartwatches. And then the most interesting feature which we already had in the Boat smartwatch is that it has Alexa built in. Which means that you can also control your smart devices with the help of this smartwatch. And then this smartwatch also has GPS. It has 50 plus watch faces available. And then it can also track your sleep. It has heart rate monitoring. It has blood oxygen level measurement and stress monitoring. And then this smartwatch has 60 plus sports mode. This smartwatch also has smart notifications. So all in all, this smartwatch gives you all the features, like it has Alexa built in and then it also has GPS. So the price of this Amazfit Bip U Pro is rupees 4,699. So guys, these were all the smartwatches under rupees 5,000, and for me the best smartwatch under this list was the Amazfit Bip U Pro. And why this watch was my favorite or my best? Because it was a balanced smartwatch. This smartwatch paid attention to fitness and sports because it had 60 plus modes. And then this smartwatch also has Alexa built in, so you can control your smart devices in your home. But guys, let me tell you one thing, that if the Firebolt smartwatch would have had more sports mode, And if it would have paid more attention on fitness, then I would have chosen that. And if the Noise Color Fit Ultra smartwatch would have had GPS, then I could have also gone for that smartwatch. So guys, this was all about the video. I hope you liked the video, and also comment down your favorite smartwatch under 5,000 from this list. And if you want to buy all these smartwatches, then the links are in the description and you can buy these smartwatches from those links. So guys, if you like the video, please drop a like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any latest updates about my upcoming videos. Thank you.